Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have WordPress ready and a feed source picked. Now start by installing a reliable feed plugin or preparing a child theme for custom code. You do this because plugins simplify parsing and caching, while custom code offers control and performance. Once installed, activate and open the plugin settings. Make sure you have the feed URL or API endpoint handy. You'll enter that first and set basic import frequency, which prevents duplicate content and controls server load. Once you've added the feed URL, configure how often WordPress pulls it. 30 minutes is a common starting point to balance timeliness and performance. Next, map feed fields to WordPress fields. Match title, body, featured image, and category so content displays correctly. Make sure to choose post status. Use draft or pending review if you need moderation. Also enable caching and duplicate checks in settings so your site stays fast and avoids reposts. Now run a manual import to confirm the feed creates posts correctly and images import as featured media. If items fail, check plugin logs and server error logs to identify timeouts or malformed XML/JSON. You may need to increase request timeouts or normalize feed fields with transform rules. If feeds still break, disable other plugins to find conflicts. A solid tip: enable debug logging and test with one feed until stable before.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.